In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder using AWS S3 and N8N step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you're building automations and want to organize your files neatly inside an S3 bucket, this is a really useful workflow to know. Whether you're setting up file storage for backups, uploads, or automated document handling, creating folders in AWS S3 through N8N can help keep everything structured and easy to manage. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N and automation tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you can add different actions and integrations to your automation. In the search bar, type AWS S3 and select the AWS S3 node when it appears. This node is what allows N8N to connect with your Amazon S3 storage and perform file-related actions. Once the node is added, you'll see a list of available operations. From here, choose Create a Folder. This tells N8N that your goal is to create a new folder inside your S3 bucket, rather than uploading a file, downloading data, or listing contents. After selecting Create a Folder, it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll typically need to enter your AWS credentials so N8N can access your S3 account securely. Make sure your access key and secret key are correct and that the account has permission to create folders in the selected bucket. Next, choose the bucket where you want the folder to be created. This is very important because the folder will be placed inside that specific S3 bucket. Then, provide the folder name or path you want to create. In S3, folders are usually represented as a path-like structure, so you may enter something like a folder name or a nested path depending on how you want to organize your files. If needed, you can also use expressions or dynamic values from earlier nodes in your workflow, which is great if you want the folder name to change automatically based on a date, file name, user input, or another trigger. Take a moment to review all the settings carefully before running the workflow. Make sure the bucket name is correct, the folder path is typed properly, and the AWS credentials are connected without any issues. Once everything looks good, execute the node or run the workflow to create the folder. If the setup is correct, N8N will send a request to AWS S3 and the folder will be created inside your bucket. You can then verify it in your AWS console or continue building the rest of your automation around it. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a folder using AWS S3 in N8N. It's a simple process, but it becomes extremely powerful when combined with other automation steps like file uploads, email attachments, backups, or content organization. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next N8N tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.